Welcome to my channel and my latest video. Today I will be filming the Little Marton Windmill, sat here on the edge of Blackpool since 1838 and was operated until 1928. I will stick some links and more information in the description below. The windmill has just undergone quite extensive renovations, but there's still no sails on it. I don't know if that is going to happen at some point. And here is the little blue plaque telling you a little bit more about the windmill. The top one, Alan Clark Memorial Windmill, Cornelius Bagot of Blackpool, to be maintained as a memorial to Alan Clark. The blue plaque on the windmill is one of 60 or so as part of the Blackpool Civic Trust.